on clouds.
You feel like what? You're floating on clouds?
Okay, what are we doing?
We're going to go to the car when we think you're ready.
I'm ready right now.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Can you stand up?
Let's not stand just yet.
We can go to...
Can we...
go to...
I know.
Okay, about eating milkshakes. Do they take the gauze out? Okay.
We're gonna go get it.
Did she give me enough gauze for both of them?
I can't hear that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey.
What? What?
Hey,
Don't.
wait, can we go get a milkshake?
Yeah.
As soon as you...
You got to be able to focus enough to walk.
And I ride with Williams.
Well, I'm not sure about that.
But
No, Williams, can you handle her?
Do what?
Williams, can you handle her?
What does she want to do?
To ride with you?
Yeah, you can ride with me. I don't care.
Is your car
handsome?
Yeah, well, it's not pulled around. But it's
Say that
outside.
again.
He's
When you
very
pull it around to the
handsome.
side, kind of what hers is.
Yeah.
If she's going to ride with you. We don't know about the...
Okay, yeah, I can understand why.
He's very handsome.
If you just want to pull around...
She's asking you a question.
Do you think that he's handsome?
I do.
Yeah.
He is.
Handsome guy.
All right.
Okay.
This is
He's
good for
going
your
to pull
ego,
around
Will.
so you can ride with him,
He's
okay?
my boyfriend.
Friend boy.
He's not my boyfriend.
Well, we're working on that
He's
one.
my boyfriend right now.
No, not today. Sorry, Will. He's getting all kinds of doses of truth in both of these rooms. No, but maybe he's your friend.